Okay, so this is the job I'm going to do today. I'm going to replace this fly screen. As you can see, my cat likes to scratch and wake us up in the morning. I've been asking my husband to do it for a while, but you know what it's like when you live with a builder. You're pretty much the last to get anything done, so I'm going to show you how I can do this myself. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. It's just standard fly screen. Got it from my local hardware, Bunnings. You can pretty much grab these anywhere. Okay, so first we want to take the fly screen out. Normally you can just push it up into the frame and across further into the frame, which will then allow you to grab this corner and you just angle it out. Okay, so first you want to take out the rubber trim that goes around the edge. That's pretty easy. Take out the old piece of mesh. I'm going to actually use that for a minute. I'm going to use this old piece of mesh so I can get the right size on this new piece. I'm just going to roll this new bit out. And I'll just lay this one on top. And then just a little bit extra. Get rid of that bit. And on the screen, just pop this over the top. Just have a nice bit of overhang on each edge. Looking good. Then you take your trim again. Start on the corner. You've got this nifty little tool that you get for like $3 at your hardware store. And you just start by poking that bit in, and then you can just use the roller side. Just start rolling it in. Just because of the age, it's just left an extra little bit. But that's all good. You just cut that off. And then, okay, so once you've got it all in, you then take a sanding blade and you just go around the edges, cutting the excess off. There you have it. Lovely new fly screen. Now it's just a matter of popping it back in, just the opposite way to how you pulled it out. Okay, so final touch is putting it back in. You just re-angle it, go the opposite direction to how you took it out. You got little clips on the side there, so you start with them. And you move it up into the top, and then keep going up like that. You can also clip on this side, pull it over to this side, and then just, there you go. Okay, and as the wife of a builder, I've been waiting for my husband to do that for me for about, I don't know, 6 years, so I did it myself.